Welcome to Airplane Alchemy, Deals of the Week. Every week I hunt down the coolest, weirdest, and best-priced airplanes for sale online. Let's see what's waiting in the hangars this time. 1. 1946. Piper J-3 Cub, $27,900, Indiana. A classic J-3 Cub to kick things off. N4-2703 was restored early, flown consistently, and just had an annual 867 hours since restoration, same on the A65, sealed struts, impulse mags, ELT, metal Macaulay prop. At $27,900, this is one of the most affordable ways into vintage, stick and rudder flying. 2. 1971 SOCATA Rallye Minerva, MS894A, $78,000, New York. Next up, one of the quirkiest STOL performers out there, the Rallye Minerva. 220 horsepower Franklin, 459 SMOH, 32 hours since top overhaul. Automatic slats, full span flaps, ADS-B out, tow hook, and nearly a 955-pound useful load. For $78,000, this is a legit STOL sleeper with huge personality. 3. 1939. Porterfield CP-50, $30,000, Washington. Only 5 CP-50s from 1939 still exist, and this is one of them. Sat from 1948 until restoration and now has only 3 hours SMOH on its A50. Includes original exhaust, stainless replacement, full logs, and deep documentation. At $30,000, it's museum-grade pre-war aviation you can actually fly. 4. 1977 Maule M5-235C, $94,000, Alaska. A freshly restored M5-235C with real Alaska working plane credibility. 1,280 TT, 495 SMO, and a 3-blade Macaulay. Finished in 2023, flown regularly, seller open to demos. At $94,000 OBO, it's a strong backcountry machine with fresh bones. 5. Headliner, 1958 Helio H-391B, N10, CJ, Fairbanks, Alaska. And the headliner this week, the Helio H-391B, serial number 99, 4,455 TT, 1,054 SMOH on the Go 480, 2,000 SMOH on the prop, 800-pound useful load, VFR panel, digitized logs, light early production, Helio DNA, pure STOL capability. If you want mountain goat performance at a realistic price, N10 CJ should be on your list. That's it for this week's Airplane Alchemy, Deals of the Week. If you spotted a gem or have a lead on a rare airplane, drop it in the comments. I might feature it next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to help the channel climb higher. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies and maybe on barnstormers too.